Hi friends! I'm going to be telling you a little bit about the website. You will be getting a username and password so that you can sign on to our online learning. Once you put in your username and password, you will see the following dashboard. You will click on the day that responds to you. So if it's Monday, you'll click on Monday. Let's go! So after I click on this page, I am going to see a schedule. You will be able to click on the various subjects that apply to you. So for example, you will have movement and morning exercises, a morning message, independent work time, free outdoor play, a Zoom call, electronic learning, snack and lunch, yum, rest time, free outdoor play, arts and crafts, and dramatic play. Oh my goodness, this looks so fun. So each day you'll be able to click on different areas. So in the morning, you'll see movement and morning exercises. If you click on this area, you'll be able to see a variety of exercises that you can do. Let's check it out. For example, it says kids workouts, yoga, and dance. I'm going to click on dance. And look here, there's different videos you can choose from. It says Get Back Up Again, Kids Bop, and Sia. Super fun. I'm going to go back. There's other parts of the day that I'd like to look at. Let's see, next, there's the morning message. If I click on morning message, I will see a video that you can choose to look at. For example, this says Old MacDonald Had a Farm. Do you guys know that song? I do. It's fun. So each day when you are doing your online learning, you are going to see this schedule. As the day goes on, you can click on the corresponding areas because of the time. So school starts at 8 o'clock and ends at 4. So at the different times of day, you can click on these areas. I'm going to go back. So we were just looking at Monday. When the next day comes, it's Tuesday. So I'm going to click Let's Go. Once I get to that page, I'll see the same schedule. So each week you will see a different routine. Look at this. We have our morning message, our morning exercise, work time, and all the same things we saw before. I'm going to go back again to the dashboard. I can also see the other weeks that were before this one. For example, this week is Hollywood, but before that, there was Little Leaders, Miniature Musicians, STEM, and Camp Out. If I missed anything, I can go back to those other weeks. I can also see that there's different tests I can do, like I can test my math and language. Now, just like riding a bike, it will take time to learn the website, but you will get it. If you have any questions, ask your mom and dad, and they can also reach out to me or to us. We got this. Bye.